Hello class and welcome back to Mrs. Ruiz's classroom module. Today we will be discussing fact, fiction, or opinion. As we have discussed this, we have also not really dedicated time into learning. We have discussed but not really learned how to apply it. So with this, I have shared it with you through Google Docs, and it is an easy way to access it from wherever you are. Whether you're in the car, at home, in the library, or just at a friend's house and you want to do your work really easily, let's do Google Docs and you will be able to, view it wherever you are. So this will be shared with me, and why don't you just double click it. Okay. As I said, we have been discussing the differences between opinion, a fact, or fiction. Just as a refresher, an opinion is something that someone says that isn't based on any knowledge or fact. And fact is valid information. Fiction is something invented. So, why don't we just jump in? Oh, and at the end of these questions, you will have to come up with your own questions, and we will be able to discuss them in class and to see what we have learned and what we still need to learn. Okay, so Nashville is in California. Well, let's say I really didn't know the answer to that. I would just do a quick, easy Google search, and Nashville is actually a city in Tennessee. So I don't think that Nashville is in California. So why don't we say this is fiction, since it wasn't true. It was actually something that was invented because it is in Tennessee. Okay. The new movie that just came out is really good. Well, I don't know. Maybe the movie that we saw you didn't like and I didn't like, but maybe the movie that we both saw, we have different opinions toward it. So this would be a opinion. Okay. So the next question. The largest body of water is the Pacific Ocean, taking up about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. So if we just do a quick, easy Google search, we will come up with our answer. I did Google this prior. The largest body of water is the Pacific Ocean. So with this is a fact. Normally with facts, you will see that it has a much more wider sentence. It has more words. It actually gives you a couple of numbers, a couple of key points to know that, maybe this is a fact. And as I said, if you don't know, a quick, easy Google search will help you from getting out of doubts. Okay? So the cow goes moo. Well, the cow goes moo. Does a cow go moo? Let's see. I personally don't know any cows that don't go moo, so I would say that this is a fact. Cows actually do go moo. Okay? The dog goes meow. Well, I don't know much dogs that actually meow, so I would like to say that this is a fiction. Oh, my spelling's a little off. Okay. It is fiction because personally I don't know any dogs that do go meow. The only animal that I know that goes meow is technically a cat. So why don't we just go back in and write why they are what they are. An opinion for the new movie is because we all have different views on a certain thing. Okay? And the largest body of water is the Pacific Ocean. So that's a fact because it is true. And you could just say according to Google. Okay, the cow goes moo. That's a fact. Cows indeed do go moo. And the dog goes meow. Fiction. Dogs actually bark. Yeah, meow. Okay, just for the next following questions, you will be able to come up with your own. I will be asking you to write it on a separate piece of paper, but if you would like, we can also write it just on this document. If you would like to open up a new document, just as long as like you're not sharing with any other students, but preferably I would want you to write it on a separate piece of paper and just jot down some quick questions that say opinion, fiction, or fact, so we can go over them in class. Well, I hope this really helped. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and I will be on top of it, and I will email you back as soon as I can. Thank you.